Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In the most Shakespearean twist of the scandal, neither of the Madoff's two sons survive. Older son Mark Madoff hanged himself in 2010 on the second anniversary of his father's confession. He was 46, and his own 2-year-old son was asleep in the next room. 10 December 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Ruth Madoff, the wife of Bernie Madoff, agreed to pay $594,000 and surrender her remaining assets when she dies to settle claims by the court-appointed trustee liquidating her husband's firm. 6 May 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
On March 12, 2009, Madoff pleaded guilty to 11 federal felonies, including securities fraud, wire fraud, mail fraud, money laundering, making false statements, perjury, theft from an employee benefit plan, and making false filings with the SEC.
Let's help you make your mark.
Ruth met Bernie Madoff when she was 16 and they were attending Far Rockaway High School in Queens. Both she and Bernie grew up in a middle-class Jewish neighborhood in Laurelton. They married in November 1959 when she was 18. 14 May 2017.
Take our lead.
Madoff started his firm in 1960 as a penny stock trader with $5,000, earned from working as a lifeguard and sprinkler installer. He has built a highly profitable securities firm, Bernard L. Madoff Investment Securities, which siphons a huge volume of stock trades away from the big board.
Take our lead.
Ruth Madoff net worth. Ruth Madoff is an American businesswoman who has a net worth of $2 million. Ruth Madoff was born in Queens, New York in May 1941. She is best known for being the wife of convicted financial fraudster Bernie Madoff. Ruth served as the director of Bernard L.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.